Harsh joining in now to tell you about the big brokerage call of the day, and this one's a doozy. HSBC maintaining a buy stance on Adani Ports with a target of 1600. Very significant upside being seen. But why are they saying that, Harsh?
Well, first off, with regard to what we can expect in FY25, you're expecting the EBITDA guidance to largely be met. That's the anticipation. Now, Adani management, in fact, spoke at one of HSBC's conferences, and this is where the takeaways are really coming from. 18,800 to 18,900 was the corridor in which EBITDA was expected for FY25. They've maintained that guidance. HSBC's expectations are 18,900 in terms of EBITDA. Talking about port volume, though, guidance was 460 to 480 MT. HSBC's expectations at 460 MT. And therefore possible upside to this. We're at the fag end of the quarter as well. They've reaffirmed their volume target. Here it starts getting interesting. 1000 MT by 2030 is what they've reaffirmed. 85% of that is going to be organic from India. 15% is going to be from international. 2/3 of that international is already set up. Tanzania, Colombo. There are going to be other acquisitions likely, and that will likely drive 15% of the 1000 MT of capacity which will come. In terms of tariff, limited impact on India from US tariffs is what they are saying. They're saying even if there is an impact on US trade, firstly, the component of US trade within Indian ports is small. Even if there were to be an impact, it's going to be offset by other countries and trade with other countries. So they're expecting that. Strategy is to continuously invest in logistics networks. Let's talk about capex and cash flow. 45 to 50,000 crore in domestic ports in capex in the next 5 years is expected. 15 to 20,000 crore in the logistics business. So around an annualized growth clip of 12 to 14,000 crore. They're going to fund capex entirely through cash flow. No increase in dividend expected. Leverage reduces. They'll probably opt for dividend and buyback. For the moment, based on DCF, 1600 being the 12-month target price.
Well, 1182 and counting. Thanks a lot for that, Harsh. That's Adani Ports for you. Avinash, anything on Adani Ports or any of the other port businesses in the country?
No, I think my guess is Adani Ports looks quite well positioned. I think considering the fact that FY24, 5 as well as 26 is going to be pretty strong. And as, I think rightly mentioned that I don't assume that the tariff issue is going to have a significant impact on its volume and profitability. We have been also telling our clients to be more constructive on Adani Ports, which is probably the best candidate within the Adani group. And I think clearly in terms of the investor base, in terms of the opportunity, Neeraj, hopefully a better GDP and a better growing economy could obviously help the company record a higher throughput and a better volume growth. So I think we have been telling our clients that accumulated for a 12 to 18 month period, our target price is around 1350 to 1400.